We're interrupting our scheduled programming to get you the latest updates on the Prime Minister's visit to Ahmedabad. He's just reached the Zydus Biotech Park facility where he will be reviewing the preparations of the ZyCoV-D vaccine. These are visuals from about 45 minutes ago when the Prime Minister touched down in Ahmedabad. He then took a chopper to the Zydus Biotech facility. The vaccine that he's reviewing currently is ZyCoV-D. It's completed its phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. After this stop, the Prime Minister will also be going to Hyderabad and then to Pune to review Bharat Biotech's vaccine, which is Covaxin, and also visit the Serum Institute of India in Pune, where he will be getting all the details with regards to the Covishield vaccine, which is being developed by Serum Institute of India with a tie-up with AstraZeneca and Oxford University. But currently the Prime Minister there at Ahmedabad at the Zydus Biotech facility, he is looking into the details of the ZyCoV-D vaccine. It's completed phase 1 and phase 2 clinical trials. The focus today is only on vaccine development. Soumya Singh is joining us. Soumya, we're beaming out the visuals that came in earlier of the Prime Minister's car making its way into the facility. We understand he's going to be interacting with scientists to get a real-time update, really, with regards to ZyCoV-D.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi he has reached over here. Right now I would like to show you the visuals over here of Zydus Biotech Park. He is going to take the review meeting of this ZyCoV-D vaccine. Approximately more than half an hour he is going to spend over here. He will talk with scientists and get the review. Also, firstly, from the coordination to the distribution process, the whole process he is going to understand. If the vaccine is being developed, then how it will be given to the people in India, because in smaller village, how this vaccine will be provided to the people, each and single thing he will discuss. And after that, he will also discuss about the price. What would be the price if this vaccine would get the success? Because this ZyCoV-D vaccine has already cleared its clinical trial of phase 1 and has entered in phase 2, which it has got the 70% success rate. Now in December, the third trial would be started by ZyCoV-D. So right now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is over here and he will understand each and single detail about the ZyCoV-D vaccine and when it will be distributed in India.
Okay, as far as this vaccine goes, the Prime Minister's visit to the Zydus facility, it comes at a very important time because, as Soumya pointed out, phase 1, phase 2 clinical trials are done. Phase 3 is going to begin at some time from now, and phase 3 will mean that about 30,000 people are part of that particular phase of that particular trial. So far, there's been no real hiccups or no safety concerns that have risen from this particular vaccine. So it will be important to see what is the outcome of the Prime Minister's visit to this particular facility. From here, he's going to be moving then to Hyderabad, where he'll be visiting Bharat Biotech. Remember, that's where there's a lot of hope on India's indigenous vaccine, which is Covaxin. He'll be getting an update from there, and then in the evening heading to Pune to visit the Serum Institute of India, where Covishield, which is a vaccine being developed by AstraZeneca as well as Oxford University, Serum Institute of India is in a tie-up with them and developing that vaccine here in the country. So the Prime Minister is going to be taking an update on all of these three vaccines. Soumya, as far as ZyCoV-D is concerned, when we talk about the vaccine itself, it's been moving forward. A lot of progression that's been made really with regards to this particular vaccine. Phase 3 of trials will be beginning in December. So this particular visit and the timing of the Prime Minister's review of this vaccine, very crucial.
Yes, this visit is really very special because after this meeting, the main details would be there that 70% of success ratio, this ZyCoV-D vaccine has got it already. And then right now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will discuss about the review about the vaccine, how it works, and after that, when it will be distributed. As I told before that from distribution process to coordination, how it will manage, what would be the price of vaccine, vaccine, the single detail he will take. And right now, what is the current status of the vaccine? He is also going to focus on that. And after that, in December, we will get the vaccine will get the third trial, entered in third phase, and hope so. This would be the boon, as it is already in Atmanirbhar Bharat. So if this vaccine gets success ratio of 100%, then it is very good news for India.
All right, Soumya, thank you for joining us with all those details. So the Prime Minister at this point at the Zydus Biotech Park, he's just made his way in, will be interacting with scientists and getting a sense of the progress that we've achieved with regards to the ZyCoV-D coronavirus vaccine that's being developed in the facility.